Joe Solecki is set to go down against Drakkar Klose, and this is a tough fight to predict, especially considering that they have similar fighting skills. Joe Solecki 13-3-0, 5'9", 70.5 inches of reach out of Wilmington, North Carolina. He was better than Alex Da Silva and Carl Deaton III. He is excellent grappler. His striking skills have improved significantly, which we've seen in his last outing against Carl Deaton, where he was even able to drop his opponent and to rock him, and Drakkar Klose 13-1, 5'9", 70 inches of reach out of Glendale, Arizona. Excellent wrestler. And yes, he knocked out Brandon Jenkins, but he is predominantly a very good wrestler, a good grappler, and he is a very technical fighter, which you've seen in matches against Lando Vannata, Bobby Green, Christos Giagos. I was a bit shocked with his loss to David Taymur. No, but he grew, he evolved as a fighter. He was also better than Devin Powell, Mark Diakise. The guy who was able to out-wrestle Mark Diakise will probably try to keep the fight wrestling, and he'll probably try to dominate on the mats. So I'm gonna say fight starts round 3. Side call, I would say Drakkar Klose via some kind of a close decision, but it's gonna be a close fight.